Bootstrap came to us as a stray at the Assumption Parish Jail, and it was pretty obvious that somebody had taped or tied or wired his mouth shut. And it takes a different kind of person to think that's okay, you know?
It's all right. Come on.
Aww. Hey, Boots. Hey, buddy. Hey.
Player.
Hey, buddy. Hi. You want some loves? You want some loves?
Bootstrap was great. Bootstrap seemed a little calm, a little relaxed, kind of what I feel like we're looking for.
Hi.
Oh, my goodness. Dude.
Bootstrap seems to be an ideal candidate for us. You could tell he was a very loving dog.
Someone did something to this dog.
How you doing now, huh?
Yeah, his mouth was tied
You
shut.
doing good?
Think you like California? You know, I have scars. They opened me up from here to here to remove my primary tumor. So I know how it feels to have scars.
Oh, my goodness. So cute. So freaking cute.
You're adorable.
Brian and Bonnie seemed to really like Bootstrap, like the second he came in the door. And I would have to say the feeling seemed to be mutual.